Julia missed out being one of the 3 front-court starters in the West by 14,000 votes. Zaza said it's an amazing feeling. I feel loved. That's more important to me than being an all-star, honestly. He also had more than 6,000 votes than Dirk. Can we just say, I took him to school? We can't say that, Zaza.
They like to lead with each other, that's for sure.
That they do.
You know what, man? Now that I know that, I'm just going to walk up to Zaza and occasionally tell him I love him.
The Mavericks have been successful. Nice drop by Dallas that time. And a lot of it is due to the play of at all. If he's named an all-star this year.
Give the people what they want.
Make you feel loved.
Cantor. Got it down low. Deflected pass. Zaza ran it down. Slings it out to Matthews. And 3. Waving in a tip out. Powell missed. 2 minutes left first quarter. Mavs lead the game by 9.
It's the disposition of Dallas to start this game.
Dion Waiters that 3 is all night.
The last time the Mavericks played OKC, he shot the ball really well for the first time facing the Mavericks. Normally he struggles for whatever reason when the Mavericks face OKC or teams that he plays on.
I think it's a dangerous thing when he gets hot because he's not that great of a shooter.
But surely not good. Powell keeps it alive. Thunder have it. In 2 games against the Mavs this year, on your point, guys, Waiters has shot 44% and averaged 60 points. Westbrook.
It looks out of control, but he finds a way to make those difficult shots look easy.
Such sensational body control allows him to look out of control to mere mortals, but
It's pretty good defense. Aaron cuts him off. And a wrong-legged finish at times. Looks like he's on the left leg to finish on the right side.
He plays like he's shot out of a cannon at all times, just launches himself in the bucket.
Has a motor, that's for sure.
he has brought the Thunder within 4. 20-second timeout called by Dallas. Tonight's free FanDuel contest is for Dallas fans only. It's your shot to be the Mavs GM for